Instead of doing this manual, let's assume you have a program. I would say as of now a program. You have a program. Rather than you user going to the email, and let's assume you are getting your invoice to the email. Rather than user going to the email, let's say the program automatically goes to the email, extract the invoice, read all the data from the invoice, then go to the ERP system, open the screen or a transaction and enter the complete data and create an invoice. Let's think this process. I mean, the first process was a manual step where user is logging into the email, reading the invoice, entering the data. Here there's a complete automation, and this program what I just said is nothing but a bot, and this bot is on the concept of RPA. So basically, RPA or a robotic process automation is a technology where we define such bots to automate all your tedious or a manual or mundane task where there is no intelligence required, where organizations have been wasting the productivity of their manpower.